Okay, I hope you're beginning to find some of these relationships pretty intuitive. Let's start over here with the close ones. You would be 50% related to your sister and 50% related to your mother. Remember, we just got done talking a few exercises ago about how that 50% is not the same kind of 50%. You're also 25% related to your grandparents and your aunts and uncles. Of course, this is because an individual parent is half related to each of their parents. So if you're 50% related to your parent, half of that would be 25%. Now you're 12.5% related to each of your great-grandparents, as well as your granduncles, the siblings of your grandparents. So I don't know if you're noticing a trend here. We've got this set of 50%, right? And then this set of 25%. And then this set of 12.5%. And now we also need to include first cousins in this. And then we move one more out. We would have great-great-grandparents and whatnot. And then we'd have a first cousin once removed at 6.25%. And our second cousin would be 3.125% roughly. Notice that at each extension, we've essentially cut it in half from 50. Half of that is 25. Half of that is 12.5. Half of that is 6.25. Half of that is 3.125. Now, because of recombination during meiosis, these numbers are not exact. This is not exactly. We could put a little about sign, a little tilde in front of each of these to represent that you're going to have, on average, a 25%, 12.5%, so forth and so on. About the only relationship that you can guarantee you're going to be exactly 50% is the father and the mother. Everything else has recombination playing a role, and because that doesn't happen the same way every time, you can get a little more, a little less from one relative or another. This is just an approximation.